Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about what to do when Instagram can delete your story. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to delete your story on Instagram but you can't do that, here the first thing we're going to do is to switch from your Wi-Fi into your cellular data. So I'm going to swipe from the right corner, turn off my Wi-Fi, and then turn on cellular data. So your Wi-Fi may not be strong enough, but the cellular data will. If this doesn't work, the second thing we're going to do is to go to Play Store and make sure that the app is updated. So here I'm going to type in Instagram. And as you see here, it says update. So tap on it. And make sure that you get the latest version of Instagram. The last thing that you want to try is to clear Instagram cache. So go to your settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Now hit manage apps. Scroll all the way down and look for Instagram. And now tap on clear data, then clear cache. So this is kind of refresh the app and delete if there's any bugs or issues in the app. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.